Hey guys, today we're making wings with little cauliflower florets. So I've marinated the wings with garlic, with thyme, a little bit of cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper, of course, and then just little dollops of butter on top of the chicken, and obviously the thyme for the lovely aroma and for the flavor. And then with these little cauliflower heads, I stuffed it with some garlic and some butter, marinated that with a little bit of salt and pepper. It's going to go into the oven for about 45 minutes on a 190 heat. Yes, do stay tuned to see how it turns out.